Hi friends, today I will read I Will Surprise My Friend. Let's start. I will surprise my friend. Look. What are you doing? I'm going to surprise my friend. Here she comes. Boo! Ha 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 ha. You surprised me. I did. Let's do that again. Okay. I have an idea. We should surprise each other. Yes. We could surprise each other by the big rock. Yay! You go this way, and I will go that way. Hee 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 hee. Hee 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 hee. 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 Where's Aloud? Where is Piggie? He's not here. She's not here. Where can my friend be? I will look on the other side of the rock. She's not there. She's not there. Oh no. Maybe Piggie is lost and about to fall on a cliff. Or maybe a giant bird grabbed her and Piggie flew off with her. Or maybe a scary monster is trying to eat her right now. Poor Piggie. Maybe Gerald got hungry for lunch. Piggie must be saved. I'm hungry for lunch. I must save her. I must get lunch. I will save you, Piggie. Lunchtime. That was a surprise. A big surprise. Poink. Next time, let's play tag. Deal. The end. I hope you liked the story. See you in the next video.